The Litecoin network aims to process a block every 2.5 minutes, rather than Bitcoin's 10 minutes. This allows Litecoin to confirm transactions much faster than Bitcoin. Litecoin uses script in its proof-of-work algorithm, a sequential memory hard function requiring asymptotically more memory than an algorithm which is not memory hard. Due to Litecoin's use of the script algorithm, vechain and ASIC devices made for mining Litecoin are more complicated to create and more expensive to produce than they are for Bitcoin, which uses SHA-256. When it comes to Litecoin as a method of payment, in early days there was correlation to Bitcoin in terms of extended payment patterns. Although one might assume that payment patterns of Litecoin would converge to Bitcoin, it has been found that there is little correlation of the payment patterns of Litecoin versus Bitcoin today, and these patterns continue to diverge over time. Is Litecoin a good investment? How it performed in 2020. After failure to perform like Bitcoin does after its halving and see an immediate uptick in demand due to reduced supply, confidence in Litecoin in 2020 fell even further, resulting in being one of the few coins to fail to get anywhere near close to a new all-time high by year's end. Nothing particularly negative happened to Litecoin during the year, but any bullish activity in the crypto market has left Litecoin behind. On the LTC-BTC trading pair, Litecoin has fallen even further but is finally showing signs of turning around. Investing in Litecoin in 2021. Is it a good idea? Litecoin has failed to reach a new all-time high in 2021 like Bitcoin or Ethereum has. This doesn't mean that Litecoin investing is a bad idea. It shows that Litecoin may have a greater reward-to-risk ratio compared to other crypto assets, due to it having a lot further to go to catch up with the rest of the market. It also has more financial reward in terms of upside, while other coins have already exhausted a ton of bullish momentum. Litecoin as a top crypto asset with extreme volatility has led to experts making wild Litecoin price predictions. Dan Gambardella, YouTuber and founder of Crypto Capital Venture, is looking for a massive run to $1,000 plus after Litecoin breaks out of its consolidation. Crypto Research Report Group, a top cryptocurrency research firm, calls for $1,200 in 2025, and a possible peak of $2,250 in 2030. Investing in Litecoin, like other crypto assets, can be done either by mining or buying LTC online in a few simple clicks on a cryptocurrency trading platform or exchange. Once you have Litecoin, you can decide between the various ways to invest in crypto. Here are some of the most common Litecoin investment strategies. Buy and hold. Buying and holding a cryptocurrency like Litecoin and other altcoins involves first purchasing the asset on a spot exchange and moving it to a web wallet or hardware wallet for safe storage for the future. This sort of investing takes the least amount of skill or effort but leaves potential profits on the table. For example, in 2019, Litecoin rose from under $20 to $160. In 2020, it fell back to under $40. Those who bought and held would have missed out on substantial profit opportunities. Now it's back at around $225 per coin. Trading. Rather than buying and holding an asset, investors can become traders and try to profit from price fluctuations. Here are the two main methods of trading. Spot trading. Spot trading involves buying an asset at lows and selling an asset when high, hoping to extract as much profit from each swing. However, when markets are crashing, the only option is moving to cash while the asset price falls. There's no way to make money when markets are falling using spot platforms. Traders who bought Litecoin at under $20 and sold at $140 would have $120 in profit, and when Litecoin fell back to the $20 range could have bought the Litecoin back and still had almost $100 to spare. Derivatives trading. Derivatives trading is an alternative to spot trading that lets traders long or short the market, so profits are possible no matter which way trends turn. CFDs that allow leverage can make longing or shorting Litecoin even more profitable by amplifying returns. This also increases risk, so be sure to rely on risk management strategies. Using a derivatives platform like Primex, traders could have profited from both when Litecoin climbed from $20 to $140 and $140 downward to $20. Using 100x leverage, the two $120 price swings and volatility could have resulted in profits as high as $24,000. Today, Litecoin is back at over $200 and climbing. Pros and cons of Litecoin. Investing in Litecoin has been incredibly profitable for early crypto investors, and several signs point to a repeat in the asset's power breakout. If another 10,000% rally takes place, Litecoin investment now will be life-changing. Pros. Transactions confirm much faster than Bitcoin. Lower fees than other cryptocurrencies. Has a long-standing reputation in the crypto market top 10. Explosive returns are possible during uptrends. Cons. The founder's asset sale tarnished reputation with early investors. Recent sentiment has been turning slightly bearish. The asset's halving doesn't have the same impact as Bitcoin's. How much to invest in Litecoin? Each Litecoin is currently priced at just under $225 per LTC token, so that's an ideal place to start. However, each Litecoin is divisible by up to 8 decimal places, so smaller portions of Litecoin are possible to invest in and can be purchased in any fiat equivalent increment. The more money you invest, the greater the potential return on investment. However, it is critical to remember never to invest more than you can comfortably afford to lose. And with how volatile crypto is, any losses at all will be a lot less comfortable than you imagine. But profits are also just as shocking, making altcoins worth the risk.